Evidences of evolution. Few evidences of evolution are homologous and analogous organs, evidences from embryology, evidences from fossils. Homologous and analogous organs. Homologous organs. The organs which are structurally similar and functionally different are called homologous organs. The internal structure of forelimb of a whale, which is a swimmer, wing of a bat, which is a flyer, hand of a man, which is used for grasping, leg of a horse, which is used for running, show similar pattern in arrangement of bones. However, their functions are completely different. It represents that all the vertebrates have evolved from common ancestor. This type of evolution is called divergent evolution. If the shape of an organ is similar, it is not necessary to have a common ancestor. Both the birds and bats have wings, but they are not closely related to each other. Analogous organs. The organs which are structurally different but functionally similar are known as analogous organs. Example: birds and bats both have wings, but the wings of the bat have skin folds. Patagium stretch between their elongated fingers. The wings of the birds have feathery covering all along the arm. This indicates that their structure and component are different. Their wings might look similar and are used for flying, but their origin is not common. This type of evolution is convergent evolution. Evidences from embryology. The study of embryos and their development is called embryology. There are a lot of similarities in the embryos of different animals. It can be observed that embryos of vertebrates like fish, tortoise, chick, rabbit, and man are very similar. In the early stage of development, even an experienced embryologist cannot differentiate between the embryos. This indicates the existence of a common ancestor from which all these might have been evolved. Evidences from fossils. Some species which existed million years ago are now extinct, and they can be found in the form of fossils. For instance, dinosaurs, which are the biggest animals to walk on the land, are now extinct, but the scientists proved their presence with the help of fossils. Fossils, the ancient life forms or ancient habitats which have been prescribed as an evidence by natural processes, are called fossils. They are preserved within the sediments deposited below the water and land. The trace of extinct organisms are preserved in the form of fossils. They might be actual remains of once lived organisms like bones or even traces of past such as dinosaur footprint. Normally, when an organism dies, bodies will get decomposed, but sometimes body or parts of the body may not get decomposed completely. For instance, when a dead insect is caught in the mud, it will not decompose quickly and mud gets hardened slowly and retains the impression of the body parts of insect. The study of fossil is called as paleontology. Paleontologists can determine the age of the fossils with the help of carbon dating method. Carbon, uranium, and potassium are examples of radioactive isotopes. These isotopes break down at a known rate. Hence, age of any rock or mineral containing these isotopes can be calculated. Fossils of dinosaurs named pletosaurs belonging to the lower Jurassic age, about 160 million years. It was collected from Yamunapal in Adilabad district of Telangana. The length of this fossil is about 14 meters and height is 5 meters. It is preserved at B.M. Birla Science Center in Hyderabad.